to day number 2. Faith is over there if you can't tell. She's being a little shit. She still hasn't gotten out of bed. And, well, for like a second. And let's hope day 2 gets better than this. I can back it up. Who's on FaceTime with me right now? Look at all this chocolate we're eating. There's like a bunch more in here. Woo. So we are vlogging day 2 right now, and we are in the car with our Uncle Ron.
What's up, dogs?
And we're heading down to the beach. It's like it's actually really nice out today. But we're just going to like take some pictures and look around. So update you when we're there.
Chill out.
Well, you're having a solo.
Oh. Welcome to Newfoundland, where it's so cold in the winter. We have 3 O's cold. Jackass! Yeah, your mother got a beard. Yeah. I was down when you were kids. Spencer video sitting down on his underwear. Oh, he still does it. Go.
At the beach, almost.
Nice day. The water is more calm than it is in the summer. Look at the water. You can walk on it.
Yeah, it's nice.
First thing is when they try to pull in somewhere, even here, that's not even fully plowed because no one actually pulls in here.
Yeah. So we're at the beach. Say hi, Ron and Faith.
Hi, Ron and Faith.
Hey.
And this is my view right now. There's Bell Island. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. Bam! This is nice. There's Faith's house right there. We out in this bitch. Eyebrows on fleek.
Really hard to see.
Oh, how'd you know that was an eagle?
Because I got eagle eyes. Huh? What I'm telling you about?
The ferry is leaving.
That's a ferry, yeah.
How interesting.
That's the Flanders. You'll see one boat going that way and one come back looking down and see it.
Really?
Yeah. You guys said it really at the same time. Really? Like stereo. Really?
So, we are walking down by the beach now. It's not really a beach over here. It's kind of just like a place that the ferry boats come in from Bell Island, but it's actually really nice down here. Holy God, what are you doing, Faith? Hey, whenever you're ready. And go! Don't worry. Be happy.
Eyes to boys, take 16. Eyes gonna throw a rock with boots on, eh?
That one was
Now pass from this distance, eh?
Good job, Ron.
Here you go, here's a good one. I'm gonna extend one. Oh Jesus, OMG, the rocks. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yep, go!
the creepy old man in that truck up there. Wow, that one was
so good.
Talking about, it's gonna be crazy.
Okay, go, 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 go.
What?
So flexible.
You freaking missed my long shot. You won't do it.
Oh, my fingers are so cool.
Right in the pocket of my phone. Oh.
What you need?
You should probably not be doing that.
Can't swim stroke. I'm dead.
Oh my God. Get away from me. Oh my God.
I'm dead. Seriously, if I fall in, I'm dead.
I would literally be terrified if I fell in.
Really?
You can swim, you'd be alright. You can
Yeah, I
swim.
know, but still, my phone would be ruined.
Don't do that shit.
Kyle?
So we are currently leaving the ferry station slash beach slash rocks slash
onthefail.org. What's up, dog?
what? Slash weirdo to pick up my cousin Kyle, her brother, then we're going to do something or get McDonald's or something. Woo! I see her. Ah! I see you. Ah! They're coming everywhere. That's what.
I'm loving it.
So we came to McDonald's. Kyle was sick, so he stayed home. And now we're going to pick up Chandler soon, hopefully. So, yeah, we're in McDonald's.
6 or 10 piece.
McDonald's. We're done at Donald's.
Oh god, turn the camera off, I'm gonna burp. I can feel it coming on.
Oh god, help me, help me, help me, help me. Bye.
Olivia, bye.
Do something.
Do something.
I'm giving up on you. Pink. Regular. Pink. Ugly. Faith, where are we going right now?
Kill a bride. We should go. Where the costume?
Kill Bride! How friggin' foggy it is. You can't even see the hills over there. Holy shit, is it ever foggy? Bailey! Bailey!
Upstairs.
Sure, you were the one who parked behind me. You knew I had to go to school.
But we thought when you hauled out to Santa Fe, you'd put the car back in. Duh.
This is a pain arse. We've been taking the same even like pain arse to this. Where you get a park. Nothing wrong with them, eh?
Go.
Now, I guess you over two changes, see? When you leave the girl thing, or anyone new thing, going to get anywhere, soccer is on, you know.
So we just left Chandler's house, which is our cousin, and we're going to Menchie's. So
Well, we're gonna ask.
we're gonna ask to go to Menchie's.
Yes.
We're kind of like,
It's really, we're using a flashlight.
it's like, yeah, and it's really rainy and like foggy and yucky out right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, almost home, almost done day
Walking
2.
past the truck right now.
We're walking past the hottest guy in the world's house.
I thought you didn't like him anymore.
Well, he's hot. Okay, this is done.
Menchie's, the most beautiful place on
Menchie's. Menchie's.
Where do you get those things to?
So we're at Menchie's. Dude, this feels really nice.
What's the difference in them? Same size?
Ooh.
This looks like crap, but you know. Why is it coming out so slow?
I don't know. Salted caramel,
get, pie?
lemon meringue.
Which one's hot? This one here?
Yeah.
Yum. Faith, what kind are you getting?
Everything.
What about you?
Not sure.
Cake.
What a wait, see?
Yum.
I'm Jay.
Hobos.
So we're officially leaving Menchie's. Kind of sad, but we'll get it again probably. And we're going home. Maybe pranking the boys, but I don't know. So yeah. See you in a bit.
Peace on the streets, home
You do it. You do it.
Want to do it together?
Yeah.